Never-ending grief, pain that some say time will heal, but you learn that just isn't real. Sleepless nights and racing minds, thinking back to all that was and could have been. Missing them now, missing them then. Thinking, what if I had done something different to change this fate, knowing now it's much too late. Why me? Why them? Feeling like you can't go on, then a faint whisper says, stay strong. Judgment from others because you're so withdrawn, they'll never understand what it's like since they're gone. Only survivors know the pain, those left behind and those that almost left but still remain. Through my darkness, I see the light. I'll be here to help you fight. You're worth more than you could ever know. Life's short enough. Please don't go.